Hello and welcome to this video. Today we will analyze the DAO ventures along the 6 key dimensions, and on the basis of this information we will make a price prediction for the DVG token of DAO ventures in this bull run. So the 6 dimensions along which we will analyze DAO ventures are: number 1, team; number 2, the market opportunity; number 3, gap filled in the market; number 4, value proposition; number 5, how the value is delivered to the users; and in the end, the 6th dimension, which is exchange listings and price action. And on the basis of this information, we will make a price prediction. So before we proceed, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so that you can get the notifications of upcoming videos when they are released. It helps my channel grow and I will owe that to you. On this channel, we covered great projects like Cardia Chain, 1inch and many other under the radar gems when they were not known to the herd, and as a result, my viewers have made over 5x gains in a short time. In one case, my viewers have made over 5x returns in just 48 hours, which makes me happy since I get a lot of fulfillment when people get value from the content in my videos. Now let's go ahead and start exploring DAO ventures along the 6 key dimensions. So we will start off by looking at the DAO ventures team, which is the first dimension. So looking at the team of DAO ventures is strong and has a good balance of expertise from various domains ranging from business strategy, marketing and blockchain technology. Also, it is impressive to see that the team members have impressive backgrounds, including work experience from Google and Standard Chartered Bank. The DAO Ventures team is composed of top-notch professionals with expertise from the key areas which either the value proposition of the DAO Ventures spans or else requires to realize its vision. These areas include traditional finance, digital marketing, software architectures, software development, and smart contracts development. And now looking at the advisors. So the advisors include Aaron Choi, who is the Vice President of Kava Labs and co-founder of Bikeconomy; Lester Lim, who is the co-founder of X21 Digital and also an advisor to MahaDAO, FinexFlow, and Vertex, etc. Also Ranveet Kaur, who is the founder of Bitcoin Punjab and playing key role in driving blockchain adoption in South Asia, and she also has work experience from HubSpot. And also Dimitar Dinev is serving as an advisor who has background in investment banking and venture capital. He served as an MD with JAR Crypto, and before that he has been working in the area of investment banking as a portfolio manager. Therefore, we conclude that the team of DAO Ventures is strong with the right blend of expertise and background to make the mass adoption of DAO Ventures a reality. And now let's look at the second key dimension, which is the market opportunity. So as we can see on CoinGecko, the skyrocketing rise of decentralized finance does not seem to stop, taking the DeFi market cap to over 108 billion US dollars. We have seen that many decentralized borrowing and lending protocols have surfaced as key contributors to many novel innovations in the blockchain space in recent years. The total value locked in DeFi protocols, according to CoinGecko, is currently around 100 billion US dollars, and with more platforms emerging every day, aiming to offer alternatives to outdated and centralized financial products, there is no shortage of options for consumers. So as we can see on CoinGecko, Uniswap is leading the DeFi pack together with Chainlink. I will tell you that it won't go on like that for long. So basically, due to the high gas fee of Ethereum and delays in the layer 2 solutions to help it scale, not only the other exchanges will catch up soon, but I believe that the difference in the market cap of Chainlink and Uniswap will increase even further. The reason is that Chainlink has collaborations with many blockchain 3.0 platforms, since it gives the smart contracts and dApps built on the top of these platforms access to the real world data, and by doing so, it helps these blockchains create enormous value in several industry verticals and ecosystems by inducing the benefits of blockchain technology into several use cases, and that is already paving the way of true blockchain adoption. Therefore, we conclude that DAO Ventures can leverage this great market opportunity to create massive impact. And now let's explore DAO Ventures along the third key dimension, which is the gap filled in the market. As I said earlier, DeFi protocols and projects have been at the forefront of innovations in the blockchain space. However, we have to admit that many DeFi protocols on the market are not yet initiated. They are hard to understand as well as difficult to use. In other words, the complex mechanics enabling the decentralized borrowing, lending, and yield farming make it difficult for the vast majority of the people to get value from these protocols. They are mostly hesitant due to this complexity, which acts as a key bottleneck when it comes to the mainstream adoption. So till now, one thing is absolutely clear, which is that DeFi protocols are here to stay. DeFi protocols have the potential to create enormous value, but there is a lack of platforms which can take the power and immense capabilities of these protocols to the mainstream market, and DAO Ventures is on a mission to fill that gap. Therefore, the team behind DAO Ventures is determined to bridge the gap between DeFi services and the real world. We conclude in this section that there is definitely a gap which must be filled, and DAO Ventures can fill that gap and create entry barriers by getting traction ahead of others and leverage on this opportunity to get massive traction and adoption. And now let's explore DAO Ventures along the fourth key dimension, which is the value proposition. So the biggest hurdle in DeFi is the complexity for the users. In other words, the mainstream investors find it really hard to extract the value offered via these DeFi protocols due to the intricate mechanics that underpin the majority of DeFi protocols. So in essence, the impermanent loss, yield farming, the non-intuitive as well as the cluttered interfaces are just some of the many hurdles which cause confusion, and instead of providing value, they instead act as barriers in the sense that they prevent everyday investors from getting value from the decentralized finance. DAO Ventures aims to make the technology and strategy underpinning the DeFi easier via the wide spectrum of value proposition offered via its suite of tools and services. Therefore, DAO Ventures shields the complexity by inducing automation in the form of an automated DeFi money manager, which leverages robo-advisory, yield farming aggregation, and structured DeFi products. Therefore, the DAO Ventures platform automates most of the work which investors currently do by themselves. So instead, it forwards that work to the tested automated tools which run by themselves and get the work done. For example, with innovative options for yield farming, users can select from the best strategies available in one place. In other words, the investors can pick the yield farming strategies from low risk, low reward to high risk, high reward according to their risk tolerance. Also, this is evident from what Victor Lee stated, who is the product lead of DAO Ventures. So he stated, "Our core team research, analyze, and backtest the latest DeFi protocols to filter the best from the rest. It has never been simpler to explore and assess them according to your suitable investment appetite, benchmarking with the best performance algorithms." Therefore, we conclude that DAO Ventures team has strategically positioned it in the market in such a way that it is very well differentiated, and therefore its unique value proposition will set it up for exponential growth and traction in the market. And now let's explore DAO Ventures along the fifth key dimension, which is how the value is delivered to the users. So the users assess the value or functionalities via the DAOventures intuitive DeFi dashboard, which has been designed with a one dashboard to rule them all philosophy. The dashboard provides the most intuitive and streamlined access to the DeFi services. With this dashboard, the users can browse the offered services, products, check the past returns, and select strategies as per their risk profile. As we know that the main problem with the yield farming and liquidity mining is the constant need to monitor the performance for maximizing returns and avoiding impermanent loss. DAOventures platform makes investments and provision of liquidity transparent, accessible, and visible at all times with self-custody, which means that the users are always in charge of their funds. Therefore, we conclude that DAOventures also does a great job in helping the users to assess value via unmatched end user experience, which is facilitated and realized via a well-designed, streamlined, and intuitive dashboard accessible via their mobile app. And now let's explore DAOventures along the sixth key dimension, which is exchange listings and price action. So as we can see on CoinMarketCap, the DAOventures DVG token was first available to public on the 15th of February 2021. Therefore, the project is relatively new, and the DVG token is currently listed on Bialexi, which is a centralized exchange, and two decentralized exchanges, which are 1inch and Uniswap respectively. Since the DVG token has been available to the public for purchase for just 2 months, as we can see on CoinMarketCap, we firmly believe that it will soon be listed on tier 1 exchanges like Binance and BitHump, which will also impact its price positively. And as far as the price action is concerned, on launch, it had a price of around $6.50 or $6.50. And since then, the price has dropped significantly, as we can see. Therefore, we believe that the DVG tokens can be accumulated slowly over the coming months to leverage the growth due to upcoming exchange listings as well as growth and market adoption in the future. And after analyzing DAOventures along the 6 key dimensions, we now have the information which we need to make a price prediction for the DAOventures DVG token in this bull run. So let's go ahead. So looking at the total supply, which is just 14 million tokens, and the market cap, which is around 18.55 million US dollars, it is currently sitting at 1496th place in CoinMarketCap. Hence, there is a huge potential of growth, and it not only provides a superior value proposition and better end user experience, but also removes the fragmentation in the market and provides a wide spectrum of DeFi services via a single user interface instead of focusing on one narrow functionality or a narrow set of related functionalities. Hence, we believe that it is a great asymmetric investment, meaning the upside potential is way more than the downside potential. Hence, looking at the DeFi projects like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Yearn Finance, and 1inch, we believe that DAOventures can easily attain a market cap of 1 billion US dollars in this bull run, which is around 16 times less than the market cap of Uniswap and also way less than the market cap of Yearn Finance, which has a market cap of over 1.76 billion US dollars. Also, just in case if you don't know, Yearn Finance is solely focused on providing the investors with best possible returns, and its value proposition merely covers the domain of yield farming, which is just a very small subset of value proposition available to the users of DAOventures app. Therefore, we are very confident in stating that reaching a $1 billion market cap for DAOventures is very realistic, and we believe that DAOventures can achieve a market cap of $1 billion in this bull run, since its fundamentals are way superior than the competition, and it solves a problem that others don't. And it also mitigates the fragmentation in the market and provides a wide spectrum of value proposition to its users via an intuitive user interface. Therefore, with this realistic prediction, we can see a mind-blowing increase of over 55x in the market cap of DAOventures as compared to its current market cap of just around 18.5 million US dollars. Which means that the DAOventures DVG token can tremendously increase in price and can realistically reach a price of 70 US dollars and above in this bull run. Please note that we are assuming that all 14 million tokens will be in circulation, which is the maximum supply of XVG tokens. Also note that we have not taken into account the positive sentiment and FOMO created when it will be listed on a tier 1 exchange, which is likely going to happen. I hope that the content in this video has given you value. If you want to stay on top of the current news, market updates, and information regarding hidden gems like these, I will really appreciate if you subscribe and hit the bell so that you can get the notifications of the upcoming videos when they are released. And also please like the video since it helps the channel grow, and I will owe that to you. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.